Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautiful Natural Makeup. So today you guys, I have a bash of new skincare here from Elizabeth Grant. That this particular product this time is the first time I'm gonna try these out. So I'm gonna show you what I get for $70 now. I got um, these three. So I got a night cream here, a day cream, and an eye cream. So I got six of these, both 2 day cream, 2 night cream, 2 eye cream. And I also got two on a sale. And as I always say, that Elizabeth Grant, is one of my favorite skincare that I will continue to use. I love her product. So you guys, I am going to um, tell you what these products are, because they have the sale due in the Christmas season, and after Boxing Day they were still on sale. So I tell myself, let me just get picked up. So this one is the Wonder Effect Retinologist Defining Serum. So this is like a EG, and a lot of people always talk about EG. So I'm gonna try out the serum here. This is the serum, and this have 45 ml. And I think when you reach certain age, you need to have retinol in your face and your skin. Like your face need that. So anyway, so see, this is the amount I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna show you what it look like here. And this serum is a white serum, like a milky serum. So this is it, you guys. So I'm gonna try this on my face here. As I said, to me, her product, especially the neck cream, it is a miracle for me, because I tell you guys, it really done me really, really good. So this is the serum. I'm not gonna use the night cream. I'm just gonna use the day cream and the eye cream. So I'm also gonna put a bit of the serum underneath my neck, because I always like to use anything on my face is also work with my neck. And it's only when she have the sale, it's best time to buy, because when it's not sale, I don't really. But these was on for Boxing Day, which, as I said, I haven't really I picked them up after Boxing Day. So this is the day cream, and this one a 50 ml. So this is the day cream, which I am going to use the day cream. So let's show you. I have not opened it yet, you guys. Not opened it yet. This is how it look, and this is the Wonder Effect Retinologist from Elizabeth Grant, EG. So I'm gonna open it here. Wow. And I'm just gonna show you what it look like. It's a white cream, very white. And thick. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of this also on my face here and under my neck, because I like to use whatever I'm using on my neck also. So I'm gonna rub it in my skin. And these creams are so easy to dissolve in your skin. It's not hard to dissolve. See, so easy. Wow, it feels so soft, you guys. Wow, my skin feel really, really soft. So soft. I am going to also put some underneath my neck. On Elizabeth website, you can find all different type of cream for younger looking skin, for people with aging skin, and her product does work because I have been using her product for a while. Oh wow, this is so beautifully. Like my skin feel like wow, so soft like. And this is the first time I'm trying out um, her EG um, skincare line. This one here, the Retinologist. This is the first time I am trying out this one here. So this is how my skin look, and this is the eye cream. I'm gonna try out the eye cream now. Okay, so this is the eye cream. Same thing, and this have 30 mil. And let's show you Elizabeth Grant 30 mil. And you have this, oops, you have this come on top of the cream. So this is the cream. You just need a small amount on this cream. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye here from the thing. I'm just gonna pat it. And this is good for wrinkles and puffy eyes. The cream also good for a wrinkle. And like if you have red spot or dark spot, it's also help to demolish the spot. I'm patting it underneath my eye. If you see, I'm just take time moving my hand here and patting underneath my eye. I like to go over here also to lift my eyebrow here with the eye cream. And eye cream is very good to have, especially, you know, when you're going to bed at night or if you're going out and you're wearing some makeup, it's good to have an eye cream there. So yes guys, so overall I really do like this product. I know this is not the first they have them on site, but this is my first time picked up the Retinologist from Elizabeth Grant, which is the Wonder Effect. So as I said, I'm gonna show you guys, I put them in this. So this is the pan that I put all the stuff in here. I can't even, I'm trying to show you. Okay, this is it, you guys. So as I said, I have 2 day cream, 2 night cream, 2 eye cream, 2 serum. So it's overall I got 8 product, and the 8 product that I have was for 69 something. I said 60 dollars, so 69.99. It's about $70. I got the product for these. And as I said, her product without sale, it's better to buy on a sale when the sale is coming out. I think she's also sell in the US, in England, but her product is one of the really amazing product. When they're not on sale, they are pricey, so I always wait for the sale to get them. And I can tell you guys, my face feels so amazing right now. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. And I want to say thank you. Happy New Year to you again, guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.